Back everyone. I'm going to do a video today on the welders. These clamps that they put on, these things are just garbage in my opinion. They suck, they don't open up big enough. So I'm going to use these wood clamps. Just drill a hole, put a new ring on the wires, put them on there. They open up really wide. They're very strong. They work well. I got these at Harbor Freight for $3 a piece. A typical ground clamp like this is like $15–20. It just kind of sucks. These we use at work as well, and we get like a 220 amp welder. It does all kinds of stuff. We just clip it on and it works great. So, without further ado, that's what we're gonna do. Told you guys down here, and I'll get some tools out. We'll get started here. We're going to start with the Miller first, which is a stick welder. And yes, my heater's on, it'll shut off eventually. Right now it's only like 25 or 30 degrees. This isn't terrible, but still not warm. That might be part of the reason why it's not grounding. That bolt ran right through the insulation. It's not even touching. That might be why it was spitting and sputtering a little bit too. We're going to do better than that. That can go in the garbage. Or recycling bin, really. Hang on, let me get my As to keep in mind, I make my own eyelets. Take some copper pipe, I smash one end, drill a hole, and I'll grind around the edges and I'll crunch this side down. You can buy the better looking ones, but these work good for this project. I can just take it and just stick this through here. I'm debating on soldering it, but I don't know. It's actually soldering, but I might just crimp it down in there and go with that. But I'm gonna go get the drill and some tools, and I'll bring you guys back with that. So hang on. Alright, I'm back. Alright, so I chose not to do the soldering detail. I don't think it's really going to make that much of a difference. I put a couple of peen marks in the copper. So it should look like that. Now stick it back in the vise and drill a hole. I'm doing 1/4 inch. I'm doing a 1/4 inch bolt. Should be more than enough to hold it. Gotta find a drill bit here, assuming I didn't already break it. Try and trim it down a little bit. Alright, now, gotta drill a hole in this. Alright, and here should do it. And I drill the hole, and it's going to stick up inside here, and flip you guys back on here. Go in there like that. I found another camera I want to buy that has that extra screen that sticks out the side, so I'm looking at buying that right there, because this one goes into that shuts the screen off after a point. I've tried resetting it, but it doesn't seem to. So I have to sometimes flick it on to make sure you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Which sucks, because every time I hit the button, you know, you can hear the click in the video. I try not to do it too much. I like to sand that down in there, but I don't know if I can. Let me do the outside of it. I think it'll be alright. I gotta tape it up. Whatever I did with it. I don't know how many of you have welders. You guys might write a note to do this trick. There's many options out there for this problem, but it seems to work for what I want to do. It's gotta be better than what I got. I tell you, doing some of that welding on that truck and that thing coming off is really testing my patience. I would thought about self-tapping screw, but I don't think that's going to last long. I gotta tape it up a little bit here to take some tension off the wire. There you have it. Bolt goes in. Put the bolt up for obvious reasons. Taped it. I put it on the inside so it hopefully gives it a safer operation. And then, you know, it opens up to about 3-4 inches. So I've got one more to do. That was on the Miller stick welder. My nose is running like a sieve right now. This is going to be on the Lincoln 110 solid core. Let's see if I can't unbolt this and pull this out. It's already got an eyelet in there. It's already got an eyelet built into it. I'm going to crunch that down some more. And we'll tape this up. We also bought flexible like 3/8 or 1/4 inch copper for the smaller ones. I just do the same thing. I mean, it works. I mean, if you're doing something you want to do a lot prettier of a job, obviously buying those other eyelets and soldering or soldering, you know, the connection would be a lot better option. And I do use them. It's just, it's nice to have it both. I try to do certain things that don't cost a ton. Not that I'm being cheap, it's just, well, I go spend $6 on eyelets when I can do it myself, especially on this job. Alright, now, take the other clamp, and we'll repeat the process here. I'm not gonna show you guys it being used yet. I mean, you'll see me welding in a later video. I mean, you guys probably won't really notice it in the video if it's welding any different. I mean, I will, but I don't really have anything to weld at the moment, and I don't want to go dig out some sort of piece of steel that I really don't want to just destroy. Trying to keep it straight. That's a little better. As I tape this one up. I don't know if this would be, actually I know this wouldn't be acceptable like for your big professional welders, as far as I know. I don't know a ton about that, but for your typical shop, home, maybe your welding truck maybe, this should be fine, I would think, but don't hold me to that, I don't really know, but there you have it. As far as the welders go here, I'll bring you around. You guys straighten up here. The stick welders down there. It is a Miller Thunderbolt 225. And then this is a Lincoln. ST100, it's 110. I gotta get a bigger argon tank. That thing's like not nearly big enough. And then up here, I took some PVC pipe and I just made one side removable and not the other. And I just labeled them like what they sent them. It works well. I gotta buy a cap for this one. This is the Harbor Freight welder, so 110 flux core. It works good for small jobs. You know, it's better than their original one they had. I'm not really gonna do too much more as far as this stuff goes, but hey guys, just give you guys a video there of what I'm about to do. So, I guess I'm gonna cut the video off there and you know, see what else I have. Actually, I know. I have a jump box over here. Turn you guys around here. This jump box from Harbor Freight, the battery's toast, and nothing else works on it. None of the USB ports is all shorted out, so in another video, I'm going to take this apart. We're going to put a new battery. I'm taking this lighting system out, and I'm going to put my own in. I'm going to take one of these out somehow, and I'm going to put in a USB double port for charging, and you'll have this one here. You still have the jumper abilities. I'm going to put my own charger on the back of it. These are actually probably the lights I'm probably going to use. I'm going to stick them in there. The dual port charger I'm using also has a voltmeter on it, so it'll know. Most of it will get wired back to the switch. But that'll be in another video. I mean, I gotta buy all the stuff to do it, and I don't have any of it yet. I want to use it for our trails. like on our side-by-side, because it worked well last year. It's just got wore out. So I'm going to refurbish it, do it my way. Things I know I wanted to have it didn't have. Yeah, I know I can go buy a new one for like $40 or $50, but I don't want to get rid of all that micro USB chipboard stuff out of there and make it to where when you plug it in, you know, you get what you want, not waiting for it to decide. Plus, it's only 330 cold cranking amps, which isn't enough for certain things. So I found a battery that puts out at least another 100 to 200 more. So that's what we're going to put in it. It's based on measurements, it'll fit. Even if the case sticks out a little bit, you know, whatever. But that'll be another video. And I have another video I want to do as well for torches. I'm making my own propane to oxygen. I gotta buy the dolly, I gotta buy a tank, and some plate. And then we'll make that. I like to create my own stuff, make it the way I want it. But yeah, they have a cart, but the cart's made out of bicycle wheels, and what I do and where I am, that won't last me a day. I'll break them. So that'll be a video in itself. There'll probably one or two more coming at least. I don't know when. I'll just kind of see them as they come up. So until then, you know, hit the subscribe button, like, comment. You know, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.